Looking for an easy way to make money online? Look no further. This free app allows you to start earning money in just 10 minutes. Learn how you can get paid every 10 minutes without spending any money upfront. With this app, you can increase your income while having fun at the same time. Just watch the video all the way through and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Now, let's get started. Earn money in your spare time with this easy-to-use and convenient app. Just download it on your phone or tablet and start making money within minutes. You don't even need any experience to get started. This app is perfect for anyone looking to make extra cash, whether you're a student, a stay-at-home mom, or just want to make some extra money. Plus, you'll get paid every 10 minutes, that's faster than ever before. CrowdTap is a survey app that offers to pay you for surveys and other simple tasks. To get started, simply sign up and build your profile to get matched to surveys. Hundreds of fun, easy and interesting surveys are launched daily from the largest brands who want to drive decisions based on your opinions and insights. Your voice helps shape brands and you help shape your future. It's that simple. The best part is that the surveys they offer are actually quite short, so you won't really have to spend a lot of time on the site just to earn. On average, it takes only 10 to 15 minutes of answering surveys. And the good thing is, there are usually many surveys available on a daily basis. So you will be able to accumulate points and redeem rewards instantly. The more you answer, the more you earn, and the more you help shape brands' products and services. Simply share your opinion and earn reward points instantly. You may select from several gift cards. From their rewards catalog, you may pick Amazon, Target, Walmart, and other gift cards. Simply redeem your points for a gift. When you redeem a gift card, you'll get an electronic one. You'll get it by email. After redemption, you'll get the gift card in 2 business days. I hope this video has helped you in some way. If you found it valuable, give me a big thumbs up, comment saying, I like it. Don't forget to share it with your friends, and check out also other videos for more making money methods. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to follow for more videos like this one.